NVS Recruitment 2024 notification. So Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, NVS invites application for the NVS non-teaching jobs, that is staff nurse, assistant section officer, ASO, assistant section officer, ASO, audit assistants, junior translation officer, legal assistant, stenographer, computer operator, catering supervisor, junior secretary assistant, HQ or RO cadre, junior secretariat assistant, JSA, electrician cum plumber, lab attendants, mess helper, and multitask staff. So the application starts and deadline is to be notified. So prolog naga bantaka nika recruitment jongka Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti Arjar Sau Kadon Hadu 6000 lais pa new lagi post but gede na kamta ki non teaching so parlok pila ban apply gini ki post beper kidon kum ki staff nurse assistant section officer nang ta ki audit assistant junior translation but kum juru kidon kum ki electrician kum plumber lab attendants or assistant mess helper and multitask staff. Post name, staff nurse, number of posts 121 posts, age limit 35 years, salary pay level 7, as 44,900 to 1,42,400 in the pay matrix. And the essential qualification, BSc Honors in Nursing or regular course in BSc Nursing or post basic BSc Nursing. And number 2, registered as a nurse of nurse midwife, RN or RM with any state nursing council. So nakamta kanika post kabankong jongki staff nurse kadon hadu chispa arpui ligi post. Madga age limit kan de life san snem nangta ka salary pade kan de sau hajar kan de spa hadu chilak sau araja sau spa. But ka qualification kan de ki bala pendep ya ka BSc honors in nursings lani ki BSc nursings or post basic BSc nursings. Post kabaan lani post name assistant section officer lani ASO. Number of post 5, age limit 23 to 32 years, salary pay level 6, 35,400 to 1,12,400 in the pay matrix. Essential qualification, a bachelor degree from a recognized university or 3 years experience in administrative and financial matters in central government or autonomous organization under central government. And kapus kabaan nakadinam taki assistant section officer ka number jong ki pus kadi santali is limit kadi ar pulai hadu lai pulai snem nagtaka jingsiu kade kandi ka pay level 6 life sanajar sospa hadu chilak kadar hajar sospa. But qualification kandi yaki bachelor degree from recognized university development dep yaka degree seneng. And post name number 3, audit assistant, number of post 12, age limit, kat prado lai post name, salary, pay level 6, life sanajar sospa hadu chilak kadar hajar sospa in the pay matrix. Ta qualification pande kande yaki balap pande yaka BSc but 3 years experience. Number 4 post name junior translation officer, number of post 4, age limit 32 years, salary pay level 6, 35,400 to 1,12,400 in the pay matrix. Essential qualification, master degree from a recognized university in Hindi with English as a compulsory or elective subjects or the medium of examination at the degree level, or master degree from recognized university in English with Hindi as a compulsory or elective subjects or as the medium of examination as the degree level, or master degree from a recognized university in any subject other than Hindi or English with Hindi medium and English as a compulsory or elective subject or as the medium of an examination at the degree level. then agamta junior translation option kan ba post kan sautali age limit kan life hours nem but ka salary kan life sana jar so spa hadu sila kadara jar so spa but ka qualification kan master degree seneng. And number 2, recognized diploma or certificate course in translation from Hindi to English and vice versa, or 2 years experience of translation work from Hindi to English and vice versa in the central or state government offices, including Government of India undertaking. And number 5, post name, legal assistant. Number post 1, age limit 23 to 31 years. And salary, level 6, 35,400 to 112,400 in the pay metric. And the essential qualification, degree in law from a recognized university with 3 years of experience in handling legal cases in government department and autonomous body or PSU. Number 6, post name stenographer. Number of post 23, age limit 18 to 27 years, and the salary pay level 4, 25,500 to 81,100 in the pay metric. Essential qualification 12 class or dictation 10 MTS at 8T words per minute, and the transcription 50 MTS in English, 60 MTS in Hindi on computer. So nang taka post stenographer kan bar jungki post kadi apply tali, but ka salary kan di arsana jar sanspa adu prapu ya jar chispa. And number 7, post name computer operator. Number of post 2, age limit 18 to 30 years, salary pay level 4, 25,500 to 81,100 in the pay metric. Essential qualification BE or BTech or BCA or BSc computer science or IT. And number 8, post name catering supervisor. Number of post 78, age limit 35 years, salary pay level 4, 25,500 to 81,100 in the pay metric. Or essential qualification, bachelor degree in hotel management or trade proficiency certificate in catering with 10 years of service in defense services. And number 9, post name junior secretariat assistants. Number of post 21, age limit 18 to 27 years, salary pay level 2, 19,900 to 63,200 in the pay metric. And the essential qualification 12 pass from recognized board of university and possessing a minimum speed of 30 words per minute in English typewriting or 24 words per minute in Hindi typewriting, or possess +2 level of senior secondary from CBSE or state board with secretarial practices and office management as vocational subjects. So nam taka post junior secretary assistant kan bar jongki post kadi atpuwe but kas nem film apply kadi khat prado arpanyos nem but salary kan dekat khandai hajar khandai spa adu undur pulai jar arspa but qualification kan day 12 pass. Post number 10, junior secretary assistant or GSA, number of post 360, age limit 18 to 27 years, salary pay level 2, 19,900 to 63,200 in the pay metric. Essential qualification 12 pass from recognized board or university and possesses a minimum speed of 30 word per minute in English and 24 word per minute in Hindi, with or possess +2 level of senior secondary from CBSE or state board with secretarial practices and office management as vocational subjects. And number 11, post name electrician cum plumber. Number of post 128, age limit 18 to 40 years, salary payable to 19,900 to 63,200 in the pay metric, and the essential qualification 10 pass from recognized board or university or possesses an ITI certificate in the trade of electrician or wireman with 2 years experience in electrical installation or wiring or plumbing. So nakunta kipus electrician pade kandon haduk chispa ar pratili kipus karta kande praduk saupusnem ban ka jingsu kande kat khandai jar khandai spa du ru pulai hajar ar spa bat nakunta ka kerdan puli pade kinde tangki bala dep ya kelas 10 Shajrong lene 10 pass but kibala yo lene kibala don ya ka ITI certificate hakubaya di but ka electrician lene wireman. Number 12, post name lab assistant. Number post 161, age limit 18 to 30 years, salary level 1 1800 to 56,900. And the essential qualification 10 pass or 12 pass class with science stream from recognized board or university. Number 13, post name mess helper. Number post 442, age limit 18 to 30 years, salary pay level 1 18,000 to 56,900 in the pay matric. Essential qualification matriculation or 10 pass or with 5 years experience working in government residential organization or mess or the school mess. And nakamanta ka pus ka bakhat ar but bakhat lai bakhat ar kan di nam ta kilap attendance ka number pus kan chis pandu kuwe but ka snem ko pila ban apply ka dikhat pra du lai post snem but ka jingsu kan dikhat pra jar du san pru jar lai spa but ka class ko pila ban apply kan di tang ki bala dep class 10 but ka class 12 sejrong nang ta kapus ka bakhalai pade kan di nam ta ki mes halpa kan ba opus kan don hadu saus pa so pa tli khat pras nem do lai pus nem pila ban apply but the salary can they can prajar do san pun jar from and now we have the number 14 post name multitasking staff MTS number post 19 age limit 18 to 30 years salary level 1 1800 to 56,900 in the pay matric and the essential qualification 10 class or 10 pass ang mata ka post ko bakasau kadina mata ki multitasking staff lani MTS ba opus kan di khat khandai tali but ka rata ka ba pila ban apply kan di khat pradu lai post nem but ka jingsiu nam ta kan ni ka post kan di ka pay level 1 kata khat prajar du san punru hajar khandai spa but ka kardan ka ba pila ban apply kan di then pass. Age relaxation. Upper age relaxation will be provided for the reserve category as per government rules. The upper age relaxation is up to 3 years for OBC, 5 years for SC/ST, and 10 years for PWD candidates. Nagabantagi ST/SC candidates ka relaxation. Also, how to apply for the NVS recruitment 2024 non-teaching jobs. Candidates are required to apply online through the NVS website at www.navodaya.gov.in. No other means or mode of application will be accepted. So candidates are required to have a valid and operative personal email ID. It should be kept active during the currency of this recruitment. The NVS, through its exam conducting agency, may send call letters for the competitive exams and interview extra on the registered email ID of the candidate, or maybe SIM may be downloaded from the NVS website. So nakabanta ban apply ya kini ka boost jong pi non-teaching job sapo ka NVS pila ban late na ka website jong ka Navodaya hi kata ka badi ka www.navodaya.gov.in ban pinle ya kani ka online mode. Di nakabanta ban online kani ka website na po NVS na ni na po Navodaya kan sa pentip syafi ya kita rik bapila ban apply but kelas date ru sa pentip syafi lembaga ni ka website ni so nak menta ka application fee pade for female staff nurse general EWS OBC and CL candidates kan de khatsan spa application fee kan de chejar but ka processing fee kan de san spa. For female staff nurse SC ST PWD candidates kan de san spa application fee nil kan de tangka processing fee kan de san spa. For other posts, general EWS OBC and CL candidates kan de chejar application fee san spa processing fee kan de san spa. For other posts, SC ST PWD candidates RS 500 application fee nil plus processing fee RS 500. So applicants are advised to go through the NVS recruitment 2024 notification for NVS non-teaching jobs official notification, which I have put on my description box.